Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see how many devices you got connect in your with your TikTok account. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here you need to go to the option of your profile here. After that, in the menu of your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner. In these three lines, you pick here. And you got here a panel with three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. You pick in the last option, Settings and Privacy, and after that you need to pick here in the option of Privacy. So, you need to pick here in the option of Security and Permissions, and you need to pick the second option, the part of Security where it said Manage Device. So here you can see all device where you got your TikTok account. So you can see here, this is the easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.